Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. At this time, I am going to do a very quick video and I'm going to review 6 type of bags that I think you'll need in your closet. And the first time will be a tote. All right. If we're talking about tote, I'm talking about my first pick will be a long chump. Why? Because I can use it when it's raining or when it's not raining. It fits a lot. And I think this is the like the most popular size of a long chump. This will be my number one to go. All right, which is a tote. You can use it in your head, in your shoulders. And from the same category, I have the Never Full MM. All right, and I just feel like you guys need these that will go more for like the winter or like maybe all the seasons, but then you need a lighter color too, which you want to use it during summer and spring. I think these two are my go-to bags for the tote category. Okay, so the second category there I think you'll need will be this one, a regular crossbody, more like from medium to large size. So it's a medium size, and here we have the Gucci Marmont and the Gucci I don't remember the name, but I'll link it. I will link it in the post. This you will have to make sure it doesn't lose its shape, but I always have this problem with this Gucci bag. Okay, Soho bag, sorry, the Gucci Soho in the nude color. Another kind, the third kind of bag that I think you will need is a backpack. And I have this Palm Springs PM in the reverse monogram, which is, it's my first reverse monogram that I purchased. I like it. It fits quite a bit, but the only thing I don't like is the the straps. So maybe in the future I will like remove it and take this out because it's kind of bulky and it's more like sporty. And my style is not too sporty really, like, but I figure it's good to have a backpack because of when I go out with the kids and stuff like that. Okay, so the other kind, the fourth kind of a bag that I think you guys need is a this is an Alma in a MM size. To go out for like special occasion, like special dinner, or like if you go out to a theater or to an opera to watch an opera. I think it will be really nice for you to have one of these kind of bags, just a hand that you can just wear like this in your hand. So nice. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth kind of a bag that I think you'll need is a small crossbody bag, and this is the Gucci Mini Ophidia. My phone, which is the 11 Pro, fits in here. So when you buy a bag, make sure that at least your phone fits in here, and here you'll find probably the things that will fit in here. It's just the essentials like the key holder, car holder, lipstick, hand sanitizer, just like the essentials, but it's really, really pretty. Then the sixth category and the last category that I think you will need, and I'm just talking about the luxury bags right now, not the contemporary. So it will be a a night out, go out bag, which I use this a lot for like weddings, which I don't have that much social life, but when I do, I gravitate toward taking this little guy, which is, it saves me too. You can remove the strap, and because it has this beautiful gold chain, it makes it really, really, it makes it stand out every time you're like in a wedding or some, in a special occasion. So I think this is a must in your collection. All right. If you guys have any more questions, just let me know and I'll be able to answer it. Bye bye.